Do you know you can transfer text, extract part of it, and even build dynamic sentences in Python with just a few lines of code? Welcome to Flaw Digital Solutions. This is day 3 of our Python series, and today we are going to learn strings and some powerful string methods. So, first question, what is string? A string is simply a sequence of characters, basically text. What kind of text? So, we discussed yesterday about variables, so name storing a string. So, any sequence of characters or text is known as string. Okay, I hope so. This is clear now. We discussed it yesterday too. And next, moving towards our next concept, which is slicing. So, what is slicing? This is one of the most important concept used in real world projects. And slicing means extracting a part of a string. Like here, we named Ali. So, what if we only needed two words A and I? So, let's discuss how we can get it. So, this is a simple line of code in which we are printing name 0 and 2. We are accessing name, which is Ali, and we are taking 0 and 2. What happens in Python? Index start from 0. So this is 0, this is 1, this is 2. Let's see. Here you can see Ali. A is at 0 index, L is at 1 index, and I is at 2 index. So what's happening? It is accessing A and I, and this concept is called slicing. So moving towards VS Code, our code editor, to discuss it using real coding. So this is the interface of our VS Code editor. I have created day 3 tutorial and inside it main.py. So simply writing what we learned. So here name is equal to law, and I am going to access it name, and I wanted only the first three characters. So what I am going to do, I am going to start with the index, which is 0, and I will write 0 1 2. So 0 1 2 will be our three characters, but here we have to write a one word up to access this first three, as it is starting from 0, so we will write here 3. So in this case our first three letters like FAL will be accessed. So printing it out, and here you can see FAL have been printed. So what if we have to access our full name? So here it has 5 words, we will write here 6, one more word. Okay, and here you can see FELAH have been accessed. So this was our one of the simplest concept, which is slicing, but it is very important. So next we are going to towards our upper method concept. So removing this code. So what is upper method? If our name is Ali, it will convert into this all capital letters. Okay. So consider name is our flaw, and we want to access all these words into capital letters. We are going to simply print, and inside it name dot we have upper. Here you can see a suggestion caused by VS Code Editor, and we click it, but we have to braces for its functionality. Okay, so what if it will do? It will make our flaw into capital letters. Here you can see. We will later discuss many more cases about its snake case, and what if we want it only first letter capital, all other letters small. All these cases we will discuss it later. So for now this is part upper function. So next we are going towards two most important concept in Python programming language. One concept is dot format method, and other one is f string method. Okay, so f string is most modern. We will discuss it later. First, we are going to do dot format method. So, starting with name flaw, and let's say our age is 20. Okay. So, what if we wanted bot to print and we wanted to make it a complete sentence? In dot format method, we will simply print my name is, and here we will write braces and then and I am braces years old, and then outside these inverted commas we will write dot format, and inside it we will write name and then our age. Okay, so it will, what will it do, it will access this name from this and age from this, and then print it. And here you go, my name is Fla and I am 20 years old. Okay, so this is the dot format method and it is very old. Now the most modern method used for this is f string method. What happens in f string method? This is very simple. We simply print my name is, and inside this we call braces, and whatever you want it to call, you have to write it like my name is this name and I am age years old. So this is a very simple method, and here you go, my name is name and I am age. Here is the problem, we didn't call f string, we have to write f here. And now run this code again, and you can see my name is Flah and I am 20 years old. So f string will be very keyful in real world projects when we are doing thousand or more lines of code. Okay, so today we learned what strings are, how slicing work, how to use dot upper, how to convert all our letters into uppercase, and how to format strings using dot format and f string method. And tomorrow we will learn about user input, that if we want this age from user to add in, like we are making a form and we wanted the user to add the age. How can this happen? We will discuss it tomorrow, and also an important concept of concatenation will be discussed tomorrow. So don't forget to like this video and share the video with your friends. See you in the next video.